Now, good morning, guys. Now, today's morning start a new collections with new words. Start. I have a break. I have a breast. Have a cup of tea. Have a shower. Have a bath. Have a relationship. Have an argument. Have a holiday. Have a haircut. Have a shave. Have a party. Have a meeting. Have a dream. Have a nap. Have a lay in. Have a conversations chat. Have a problem. Have a headache. To have a baby. To have a walk run wrong, to have a day off, to have a go, to have a good time, to have fun, to have breakfast, to have lunch, to have done dinner, to have something in common. Now again connections with to make a cake, to make a meal, to make furniture, to make a friend, to make a bed, to make money, to make room, to make progress, to make sense, to make sure, certain, to make an appointment, to make an excuse, to make an effort, to make a plan, to make a mistake, to make a difference, to make a mess, to make a noise, to make a point, to make a wish. Now again words collections with to come to an end, to come to an agreement, to come to a compromise, to come to a decision, to come to a standstill, to come to terms with, to come close, to come complete with, to come direct, to come into view, to come well prepared, to come to a total of, to come late on time, to come first, to come second, to come first, and to come last. Now the use of come depends on the current position of the speaker and the listener. If we have talking about a direction towards the speaker or the listener, we use come. My sister is coming to stay. Are you coming to my party? Can I come to your party? For other directions, we live go. Are you going to her party? Where old you go on holiday? Now again words like collections with to take a photo, picture, to take a bus, to take a train, to take a taxi, to take a look, to take a chance, to take a seat, to take a bow, to take a risk, to take a survey, to take a decision, to take a course, to take a exam, to take a break, to take a rest, to take a bite, to take a temperature, to take care, to take responsibility, to take notes, to take time, to take medicine, to take something seriously, to take someone's place. Now again words like collections with to tell a story, to tell a tale, to tell a lie, to tell a secret, to tell a joke, to tell the difference, to tell the time, to tell the future. Tells is used for narration, instructions, and informations. Now again collections with to do your homework, to do your job, to do research, to do exercise, to do chores, to do the housework, to do the cooking, to do the ignoring, to do the laundry, to do the washing, to do the shopping, to do the washing up, to do business, to do someone's a favor, to do well badly, to do the right thing, to do damage, harm, to do your best, to do your duty, to do your hair, to do your nails, to do something, to do anything, to do everything, to do nothing. Now again come words collections with to go about, to go overseas, to go to war, to go astray, to go online, to go missing, to go bankrupt, to go out of business, to go left, to go right, to go up, to go round, to go fishing, to go swimming, to go running, to go walking, to go skiing, to go shopping, to go to the park, to go to the supermarket, to go to the bank, to go to the cinema, to go to the airport, to go to a party, to go to a meeting, to go to a concert, to go to a gig, to go to home. Now again, to go mad, to go crazy, to go quit, to go bad, to go yellow, to go brown, to go red, to go bold, to go deaf, to go blind, to go dark, to go on foot. Now again words collections with to get a letter. to get a cold, to get it 10, to get permission, to get it, to get a joke, to get an impression, to get the message, to get home, to get to work, to get nowhere, to get a degree, to get a qualification, to get married, to get divorced, to get pregnant, to get ready, to get started, to get a flowable, to get drunk, to get fired, to get the sack, to get changed, to get dark, to get light, to get wet, to get lost, to get hot, to get cold, to get thirsty, to get hungry, to get angry, to get upset, to get annoyed, to get worried, to get frightened. Now again words like collections with say, to say hello, to say goodbye, to say sorry, to say some thank you, to say yes, to say no, I say a bird, to say for sure, to say for crane. Certain, say is used for general reporting, to say something, to say anything, to say nothing. After say we don't have to say who is spoken to. If we do, we use to plus who. She said something to me. Now thanks for watching this video my Wi-Fi study. It's always study channel.